Hello. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the perimeter and area of an ellipse. First, we will explain the formulas you need, then we will look at where you can find ellipse shapes in the real world, and finally, we will go through a practical example of the calculation. An ellipse is a geometric shape that can be described as a curve in a plane where all points are at a constant sum of distances from two fixed points called foci. Mathematically, it is defined as the set of all points for which the sum of the distances to these two foci is constant. An ellipse has two principal axes: major axis, the longest axis of the ellipse, which passes through both foci; minor axis, the shorter axis, which is perpendicular to the major axis and passes through the center of the ellipse. The distance between the foci is less than the length of the major axis. But where can we find ellipses in real life? In astronomy, the orbits of planets around the Sun are elliptical, not circular. In architecture, many historic buildings and bridges feature elliptical arches. In sports, the track for events like the 400-meter race is often elliptical in shape. In nature, we can find ellipses in the shapes of certain flowers. In everyday life, elliptical shapes appear in the design of objects like mirrors and tables. The perimeter and area of an ellipse can be calculated using the major axis A and the minor axis B. The perimeter of an ellipse is calculated using the following formula. And the area of an ellipse is calculated as follows. And now, let's calculate the perimeter and area of an ellipse with a major axis of 10 centimeters and a minor axis of 8 centimeters. And now the area. The formula for calculating the area is: we substitute the values into the formula. For an accurate calculation of the perimeter and area, visit Formiax.com or click the link in the video description. I hope you have learned how to calculate the circumference and area of a rectangular shape. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.